हाँ जी बेटे, now we will read about land utilization that is lying on page number 5 बेटे। ये आपका पेज नंबर 5 है। You have to keep book on your table, study table or with you so that you can get what I am teaching you. And you have to learn these terms and write in your notebook. हाँ जी बेटे, land use means how we use the land. हम लैंड को कैसे यूज करते हैं। Already it is described that land has various uses. We can use it to grow crops, we can make home on it, we can make a museum on it, we can make industries on it. Other activities, economic activities, social activities are performed on land. So we will see how we use land. Land resources are used for the following purpose. First, foresters. Second, land not available for cultivation means that land which is not used to grow crops. That is divided into two parts, barren or you can say wasteland. बंजर भूमि जो होती है. Second, B, land put to non-agriculture use like we have make homes, buildings, roads, factories, uh, schools, and so on. And third category, other uncultivated land that is not used for cultivation purpose, excluding fallow land, जो खाली बंजर भूमि है उसको छोड़ के. A part that is permanent pastures and grazing land means the land which is used for grazing cattle. Cattle needs food, so for food purpose we have a land that has permanent pastures that is covered with grass, and this grass is eaten by animals. It is known as permanent pastures. B part, land under miscellaneous tree cover crops groves means a land that is covered by forest. Various types of tree crops are grown here, but it is not included in net sown area. Net sown area means the land which is used to grow crops, that is called as net sown area. C part is cultivable wasteland left uncultivated for more than 5 agriculture years. The land which is not used to grow crops for more than 5 years and it is left vacant for a cultural purpose, for fairs, for any other purpose, for a playing purpose. Means it has various uses, but it is not used for growing crops approximately 5 years. After 5 years, it is used to grow crops. Means it is used after 5 years and left vacant for 5 years to regain its fertility. Part 4 that is called as fallow land. Fallow land means that land which is left uncultivated for 1 year as well as for 5 years. It is divided into two parts. Current fallow land that is left without cultivation for one or less than one agriculture year. Means it is left uncultivated for 1 year. And other than current fallow land, it is left uncultivated more than 5 years. 1 to 5 years means suppose 3 years or 4 years. After 4 years we grow crops here, or we left it vacant for 2 years, 1 year. Means its duration is from 1 to 5 years. After 5 years we grow crop on it, and this is known as other than current fallow land. And fifth part is net sown area, the area the where we grow crops. It is known as net sown area. Area sown more than once in an agriculture year plus net sown area is known as gross cropped area. It has another name, another key term that is called gross cropped area. It is used to grow crops. हाँ जी बेटे, नेक्स्ट इज land use pattern in India. Means how we use land in India, that will be taught to you now. The use of land is determined both by physical factors such as topography, climate, soil types, as well as human factors such as population density, technological capability, as well as cultural and traditions, and so on. Mean the use of land depends on two factors. Keep in mind, one is physical factor, second is human factor. Physical factor means we will check the topography. Topography means surface of the land. It is mountainous, it is plateau, it is desert, it is plain. That is known as topography. And climate conditions. Climatic conditions are suitable to grow crops or not. Climate conditions are suitable to make house here or settlement for human being or not. Maybe there is it is very cold climate or hot climate. In both conditions, human survival is not possible. So, in mountains as well in desert, people avoid to make their homes or make their settlements. And to grow crops, we check the fertility of soil. Is it fertile to grow crops or not? If soil is fertile, then crops are grown here. If soil is not fertile, then crops are not grown here. And it is used to make bridge, factories, or other institution homes. And human factors like in Rajasthan, it is hot climate and soil is sandy, so population density is very low here. Same is in Jammu Kashmir, it is a cold area. There is a cold climate, mountainous land is there, so it is not easy for human being to live here because there is no economic activity as well as climate is very harsh. Same as with the technologically, and technical capabilities also determine the use of land, and culture and tradition things are considered to use a land. Total geographical area of India is weighted 3.28 million square kilometer. Keep in mind that's MCQ very important. Total geographical area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. Land use data, however, is available only for 93% of the total geographical area because the land use reporting for most of the northeast states except Assam has not been done fully. Bete means in India we have 100% land. Out of 100, we use only 93%. Assam has not been done fully. The reason is Assam, as well as northern eastern states, are mountainous. They are covered with forest. So here we are not using them for a various purpose, and the population is also low there. The again reason is that topography is not suitable for human settlement. Moreover, some area of Jammu and Kashmir occupied by Pakistan and China have also not been survived, and some area is occupied by Pakistan as well as China of India. That's why we have only 93% land which we are using it. So I think it is clear. Again, next page means on page number 6, we will compare two pie charts that are given here for land use and find out why the net sown area and the land under forest have changed from 1961 to 2008 to 9, very marginal. But this is the activity we will do in next video. Thank you.